Hey guys, it's me, Joey the Gamer Chaser 1099, and I need to talk very quietly so I can record this video. Okay, guys. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, lots of cold weather upcoming. We might actually get our coldest February and January. We are already far in January, and I think we're gonna have a cold one. I also heard that Martin Luther King Day will have a lot of rain, fog, thunder, and snow here. So I think I'll call this system over here the Martin Luther King storms. So let's see the forecast. Let's see yesterday's weather. Oh god, I heard something bump. Jesus. Okay, here's us right now. Oh god. Here's us right now. So, here we go. Look at all this rain, man. It's freezing. Cold in the day. 5, 42, 38, 37, 36, 41, 42. Yeah, and then everything seems calm, you think. When snow starts to fall. And then it really cools down to at least 34. I mean, this day is a little bit warmer, but it's stuck in the 30s. I mean, not really, but it's basically stuck in the 30s because of these storm systems that are headed here. We are getting a lot of rain and snow. Maybe some thunder snow too. On to our next app, guys. Okay, where is it? Okay, let me open up my webcam, just in case if anything gets leaked. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh god, I heard somebody's phone. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, it's been kind of rainy here for this Saturday. Oh shoot, somebody's awake. Okay guys, I'm back. I need to speak even quieter. As you can see on my radar, there's lots of rain. I mean, not a lot. Oh my goodness, look at Martin Luther King. About a quarter of an inch of rain. Lots and lots of rain and thunder. It's not the time of year we see thunderstorms like this in the time. So I'm glad to have it because we already got an marginal risk on January 10th. Yeah, then we're stuck in the 40s, it says. Next model. Okay, let's see what this one has to say. The same thing, thunder and rain, fog and possibly snow. Continues through overnight. we're stuck in the 40s, and then this system comes, then we're down to the 30s with a snowstorm. Very, very chilly and windy. Then it tries to warm up, but sadly another system comes and plumps us down to the 30s, possibly again. I think we're gonna be stuck like this for a long while. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Dark sky is saying that there will be a lot of rain, no thunder, and wind. And it's saying it's stuck in the 40s as well. But no worry, as always, has no data log. Open weather map, let's see what they got. 50s, mainly 40s. Let's see what WeatherBit is saying. Yep, just normal rain and wind they're saying. I mean, it's saying we're in the 40s and 50s, but I think another system could come and plumb us down, because I remember last time one of the models said we're gonna get over a foot of snow, which is not true no more. On to our next app, if possible. Let's see. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one right here. This is a quick one. Yeah, can you see that, guys? This is my Martin Luther King forecast. Yeah, lots of